Hi, in today's video we will see how to prepare a network data for bibliometric analysis using BibExcel software. If you do not have the software, you can download it from the link here and it's free. For analysis purpose, I have already downloaded a data which has 172 articles and I have extracted this data file from ISI Web of Science. If you do not know how to do that, please see my video on how to extract data from ISI Web of Science. And you see, this is a text file and it cannot be used for network analysis using softwares like Gephi or like Pajek or Usenet. So we have to do some preparation for the data. So now I'm going to show how to do the preparation using BibExcel software. So I have already installed the software, and when I open the software it looks like this. First, what I will do is I will select my file from here, then it's here, and I select the text file, click view, and it is not working. So what we have to do is we have to go to edit doc file and replace the line feed with carriage return. Okay, and I think we should keep our original version. So it's working now. Now what we have to do is we have to convert this file to a dialog format, because we go to MISC, convert to dialog format, click on convert from Web of Science plain text. Okay, so we have it like this. We have a doc file now. So now we have to prepare the cited references, and for that what we have to do is we go to OR tag, we write cd cited documents, and we select here any separated field. As you see, the fields are separated by colon, so use that, and we click on prep. Okay, it's no problem. So here you see we have 172 articles and they're prepared. Now we would like to do some modification of this information to look it good. So what we do first is we go to output file, and you can do a lot of things, but I'll just do simply this thing. Convert upper lowercase, and I go to good for cited reference string. Okay, first letter of every word is now capital and others are small, so it's like now adjusted with upper lower cases. Now we select the low file here, and then we go to analyze, we go to shared units and coupling, and then shared units. Okay, as you know, all the column in the first here are doc numbers, so we just click no. So we have here 170 documents, and it will create a pair of 14,000 something, and we make the pairs. So we have the pairs here. So what we have here is that we get now this COU file, but here we don't have any labels. The first column is the number of shared references between two articles, and second and third column is the number of articles out of those 172. So now we would like to add labels to the article numbers, and for that what we have to do is we first select the doc file, and then we put AU, that is author information, in the old tag, and here we click hold field impact and we click prep. Okay, it's okay to overwrite. So now we have the authors of all those 172 articles listed here. We can do some, again we could do few things to make the name of the authors look good, but I will actually avoid it for now. Connect these author names with the cited references. We have to connect these author names with the cited references, and for that we click the output file, and here we double click So you see it's updated here. So with the output it will be connected. And now we click the COU file and we go to add data classify, labels, add labels to frequency doc number and making frequency level. We click OK. Yeah, we click yes. You can, yeah, it depends on you. You can select either yes or no based on your situation. I'm just choosing yes and yes. So now you get the .cdd file, and now what we'll do is we'll go to analyze, we'll add frequencies to all this, and okay. So the frequency of citations are now added, and yeah. So now we get the CIT file, and this could be used for network analysis, and to convert this as a network file we go to mapping, create net file for Pajek first viewer, and this could be used for Gephi as well. So we clicked OK. No, I don't want to replace zeros with 1. There could be some articles which are not cited or which one there was no pair between them, so I don't want to have them, so I just select no. And now we have the net file, and it could be used for other purposes, for network analysis with different softwares. Thank you for watching this. If you like it, please like, comment and share.